It's another exciting episode on Hamster Kombat Daily Cipher. Okay, so we are going to unveil the code sequence for winning the 1 million coins for today. Alright, so if you're new to this Telegram bot, kindly click on Daily Cipher. That will take you to the Daily Cipher page. So this is the interface where you now input the code sequence. And the word for today is merge. Merge is spelled like this: MERGE. So the first letter today is M. And on the moves table is dash dash. So let's begin. That's M. Then for E is dot. R is dot dash dot. G is dash dash dot. Okay, and then E is dot. All right, that's it. That's the code for today. So you go ahead and take your 1 million coin. Thank you. Do call again in the afternoon around 3 p.m. West African time for daily combo cards.